This video is brought to us by TikTok user El Kukui, which translates to roughly the monster. In this video, we either have a hospital or a school. I'm not really sure where it is, but we have somebody walking down the hall, and as you can see here, these balloons seem to follow them. Now, sometimes balloons move on their own when there's like an air current or flow, and when the AC kicks on, but these specifically seem like they're following this person. Something like this is a little harder to rule out because, again, like I said, the AC unit could essentially kick them on, and for all we know, the way they're moving, he could have like a fishing line tied to him, and that's why they're doing what they're doing. But if they're not, I mean, it's kind of interesting, honestly. And you'll notice they keep moving after he kind of stepped out of frame for a second. So, yeah, I don't know.
It's just